Hi everyone, my name is Sanil Pillai, and today I want to give you a very quick demo of our talent management platform designed for services companies to manage their talent and also to find the right fit for their project requirements. So let's start with talent. Information about employees, there is a talent pool, is loaded by loading the resume and any other information that may give more data about their skills and experience. And as part of the onboarding, we process that information to create a map of their primary skills, the secondary skills, number of years of experience, etc. So this is how talent is managed in the system. The talent can be grouped in different pools because this can be used for processing them for project requirement match, because you don't want to run a project requirement need across the entire talent pool. You want to run it on a subset. And you can do that very easily by searching for a certain skill. And you can see, for example, there are 7 Python developers, and I can just create a group here saying Python developers, and I just save it. There you go. So I have a new group called Python developers. So once you have the talent, you can also, by the way, filter them based on number of years of experience, as you can see here. So once you have the talent pool ready, the other side of the equation really is project requirements that come in. They could come in different forms, but they're all normalized and stored as job descriptions in the system. So for example, you can see there are client project requirements for a Java tech lead, for a cloud DevOps engineer, full stack developer, etc. And we store all the information related to the job description in our system. Now, when RMG needs to find the right match for that particular project, all they have to do is choose a particular group. For example, here they could say they want to run it against a Java tech lead, so they could look for Java developer group and run a processing. They just click run, and it runs the entire processing on all the employees in that particular pool. And this will take a couple of minutes. And once this is all ready, the bunch of analysis is made and made available to the RMG just at the fingertips. And we'll look at what that looks like. So they can go to find match. And let's look at a different skill set for which analysis has already been run. And this is for cloud DevOps engineer. As you can see, there are a bunch of employees who are listed and ranked according to their fit for the particular job. So our platform will automatically process all the information and rank them based on the best fit for the particular job. And let's look at one particular employee, for example, Ruchi Mehta, and see what information is produced for them automatically. So firstly, we produce a skill analysis for the employee, and that is given the job description. We identify what the relevant skills are for the job description. As you can see, we identify the primary, secondary, and tertiary skills, and then we compare it with the job requirement and see how good of a fit is it. We verify the experience level that's required in the job description and the actual experience of the employee. What is the proficiency level? What are the candidate's strengths? What are the skill gaps? And also, what could the employee do to actually fill those gaps? Take a particular course, etc. So all of this is produced in a very easily digestible format and produced and given to the RMG. We also create a resume, which is a resume that is a good fit for the job description based on the original resume for the employee. So some of the key skills which the employee has, which the job description needs, we highlight them in the resume, and all of this is automatically created for them and formatted for use by RMG. And they can also take the resume and actually download it in a Word format and send it over to the client. And finally, we also produce an interview guide for that particular job. So not only do we create a resume, but we also give them a list of interview questions that they could prepare for as they prepare for any client interviews that they might have. So as you can see, the time it takes from a job description, job requirement coming in, to actually finding the right fit among your hundreds of employees, to actually getting an analysis done for them, a resume prepared, an interview guide prepared, is just a few minutes compared to probably it may be taking a few hours or even more today. So there you go, a quick overview of our platform. And if you want to know more, please reach out to us at bytesandspokes.com. Thank you.